beautiful Christmas tree, perfectly decorated. It's snowing outside. A few inches cover the floor. A snowman stands under the warm glow of a lamppost. So today's craft is going to be super cute, and you can use it as a handmade gift or to make and sell, or even use as decor. So you're going to start off with a tin, and I've got this from Poundland. What's great about it is that this already has a lovely design on there, but if yours doesn't have a design or you use it this way, you can recycle old Christmas cards or use some wrapping paper to just get a nice design on there, or even print one out onto some cards and then pop it on top like this. But I'm actually just going to turn this around and have it like that. So now you're going to grab some card and take your lid and draw along it. We're going to cut this out. Once you have your card cut out, take your hot glue and you're going to add your hot glue right on the edge of your tin, all around the tin. And then take your piece of card and slot that inside. So just like that. You're just filling the top because we don't need all of this space inside. The next thing you're going to need is a tub of this, again from Poundland. For my American watchers, this is like spackle. Now we're going to be creating some artificial snow using this. So I'm just taking this popsicle stick or ice lolly stick. I'm going to grab some and we're going to add it to the card. This doesn't have to be neat or done a certain way. I'm also going over the edges of the tin just to get rid of that silver. Now I'm just tapping it a little to kind of make it look a little bit more like snow, because snow is not always perfect. And then just before this dries, I'm going to add some glitter. So this is some white sparkly glitter. It's got some pink in there as well, which I always really love. Just adding a little of that. And that's going to dry in there. It's going to look really nice. Now I'm going to bring back the lid and I'm going to place that just there. And we're going to leave this to dry, and this is actually going to dry in place. So you don't need to use any glue if you are using the spackle or the grout. So you can see I've just added something there just to leave the lid to dry. You can put it against your wall if you want, but I'm impatient, so I'm just moving on to the next stage, and I'm going to be using some puffy paint. This is like fabric paint, it's 3D. I'm just going to add some detailing on the edges, going all around to make it look like, I suppose, like icicles or snow has fallen over the edge. So just bringing you guys down here so you can see the detail, and also I've added a little bit of that glitter on there as well. Just makes it really nice and sparkly. So as you can see, I've got a lot of things here that I'm going to be playing around with. These are in the miniature Christmas section right now in Poundland. So I've grabbed this tree. I think I'm going to actually add that, so I'm just going to remove this. And I'm going to add that right here. And then I'm going to take a snowman and add him in the center. And then taking this light, going to add that in the corner as well. Poundland also do these trees. So what I've done is I've just taken the wooden base off. So I've got the tree itself, and I'm just going to poke that through in the back because I want to make this all nice and squidgy and not have too much spaces. And now I'm going to do the same with their silver trees. They're fairly easy to come off. You just wind them down and pull it off. Just taking this little bird and we're going to stick him in here. Now I'm taking a smaller bauble And these are also from Poundland. I've got the smaller size, so this is like a medium size, and then they've got obviously the bigger ones, but I think because I'm dealing with a lot of miniatures, that the miniature one just seemed like the best, and I really love the red. It really pops. And then I'm taking these, it's like a pearl, a string of pearls, and I'm going to be cutting them, so just like this. I've also taken this pearl, which was just off an old necklace. I'm going to place that there, and then taking these, and I'm just scattering them around. I've got two there, so yeah, the camera's picking it up, and then just one more. So I took this snow spray as the final touch to finish the project, and I just added it to the lamppost, the snowman and the tree because I felt like it needed it. It looked more realistic this way because there was snow on the floor, but the lamppost and everything else didn't have snow on, so it made sense to do this. So here's today's final project. I really love it. It's so cute and adorable, and I think I'm actually gonna gift this to my neighbor for Christmas because she's old and she lives alone. I don't even know if she has family because I haven't seen anyone come around for Christmas time, so I thought that will just be a really nice gesture and I'm sure it's gonna cheer her up. Let me know what you think of this project and share it with others. Make sure you subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.